Hello everyone, today I will introduce a MOEORW AC voltage withstand test device. We have filled it with a 4000 volt ampere gas change. First, the panel introduction. This is an output terminal. And this is the measurement terminal. Then there is a grounding port. This is the device with a 220 volt input. Then here is a pilot switch. Voltage adjustment knob. Then here is a high voltage meter. Low voltage ammeter, a timing meter, then the alarm light, and the low voltage ammeter, timing switch, and closing and separating buttons. Before we start the test, we need to connect the wires. Our output line is connected to the output of the experimental variable. Input terminal. The test wire goes to its measuring terminal. Then ground the equipment. It's also grounded here. Then these two are connected to a voltage input of 220 volts. Okay, now we're going to do an additive test. After ensuring reliable grounding first, sure it's 0. Turn on the power switch. Overcurrent switch on, then make sure it's at 0. There is a 0 position in the color light on. If it's not 0, we can close the switch. Now we need to keep the 0 position light on. Close the switch and increase the voltage. Okay, now we have reached the full voltage. Then click the timing switch. There's a 60-second timer. Press the timing. Okay, the timing is done. We turn off the timing button and quickly return to 0. Open the circuit breaker. Turn off the power. And then remove the wires. Okay, experiment is over. Thank you.